Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Hogwarts Legacy blue screen problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first just click here and then type device manager. Now go to display adapters and make sure to update all those drivers here one by one, and now close it and then type here background apps, and now background apps, not this one, background apps, and then just turn off all those applications, and now right click on your desktop and click in media control panel, and then click use my preference, move it to performance and click apply, and that's it. Restart your PC and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.